Yo, hit y'all with 2 in 1 and 1 night. Hit y'all with 2 in 1 night, man. I got the lights off in, you know what I'm saying? The workshop. So, we got Blackheart down here. Yup, change the name. Motor is called Blackheart, car called Relentless. That's it. We went through so much pain this year. It is what it is, man. You got this set what's coming to you. I was running for a long time, but I can't run no more, man. Blackheart, going in Relentless. We don't give nothing about no 3V, about no nitrous outlet, about no nothing that y'all boys out there, man. And let me tell y'all something. Just for the thing, man. Share the video right here, man, cause I'm gonna tell y'all the truth on that behind the lens DVD that I'm dropping. You feel what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy CC. You feel what I'm saying? Shout out to my boy CC. He held Dump Master down. Dump Master, who you held down. You feel what I'm saying? Because you built Cantaloupe. You drove Cantaloupe. Black Blur's not yours. It's the driver from that, or the owner from that car is from Atlanta. But on the show they say in all the cars is yours. Then you got CC labeled as a hype man. Quit that. But I ain't on here to hate, man. I ain't on here to hate. I'm not on here to hate. I'm on here to give y'all the truth. Behind the lens, raw. Real always win. Y'all already know what it is, man. Your boy Rich Everything, man. Hey, Blackheart off the stand, man. Blackheart off the stand, cuz. Blackheart off the stand, cuz. I'm feeling some type of way. Everything black going on. Blackheart off the stand, cuz. It's some problems now. It's some real big problems now, man. And look here. I ain't out here. I ain't doing nothing I do for the fame. I'm doing everything I do. You know what I'm saying? Long live my daddy. You know what I'm saying? God bless. You know, he come first because he gave me the strength. God. You feel me? But everything for Mr. T, man. Everything for Mr. T, man. Like, man, look at here. I done went through hell and high water. Excuse my language, Facebook, man. Like, I done went through so much pain, man. Like, I got to turn my negativity into positive. You know what I'm saying? And I try to do that by expressing myself on YouTube, by showing people how to do stuff, because ain't nobody not giving me nothing, man. I'm going to be real with you, man. I was cameraman for In and Out. I was bus driver for In and Out. I would, when DM got locked down, I helped pay bills. And if somebody tell you I didn't, you know what I'm saying, provide the way I did, or go 100 the way I did, you know why that man was locked down, man, you tell him to come see me. Because it's all going to be on Behind the Lens, man. Vice Land, look here, if y'all want a real TV show, man, I'm going to be honest with you, man. I got a full hard drive, man. I got a full hard drive. Whatever y'all don't see on Big Wheels Network, your boy Rich Everything got it. But guess what? I'm going to drop it on YouTube for y'all first, man. Behind the Lens. You know what I'm saying? Raw. Real dunk talk. That's what I'm going to call it. Real dunk talk. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to NBC. Because if it wasn't for NBC, man, it's not a gang thing. It's just, you know what I'm saying? Brothers about cash is what it is. Brothers about cash, for me to tell you what it is, man. And we grew up with nothing, but we always stuck together. And we always went out there. We promoted, you know what I'm saying, music. We had parties. We did it all, man. Like everything except, if it was positive, we were with it. So it is what it is, man. A lot of y'all probably don't know me from being behind the camera, behind the lens for In and Out Customs and all that, man. But it's time to let the truth be told, man. So it is what it is, man. Like, hell, if it came time to where I had to fix a car, man, I had to fix a car. Man, I done seen CC get left on the side of the road, and the people who I expected the most to go back and pick him up, like Vin Diesel say on Fast and Furious, the Buster Well, I guess I might have been that buster, man, because I took the rims off of Cotton Candy. I took the rims off of Cotton Candy and took them to Cantaloupe just so CC could get back to the crib when we was down there in Florida. No lie. Like, y'all, not, I ain't gonna say y'all, but whoever, riding with him, y'all savior, you know what I'm saying? DM, whatever y'all want to call him, man. He was at the hard party, whatever the case may be, man. And it is what it is, man. Like, I got a lot of vengeance in me. It ain't hate. I'm just telling y'all the truth. Raw always win. If I'm not telling y'all the truth, man, we could go to the hard drive. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. I've been waiting for a long time for Blackheart to get built. But let's switch the subject, man. Y'all see the Camaro dash. I got the headlight piece out of there. I got that ready to go inside the box Chevy. The rest of the dash, mint condition. The brace that actually came out of the Camaro, y'all see it right here. That's what we're going to try to go back with because we'll be able to just bolt everything back into where it actually goes. You know what I'm saying? Straight from the factory. So that's the way I want to do it. I don't want to do it halfway. So, me keeping it 100 and actually going all the way in on Relentless, man. No, I ain't starting I could start on the dash swap right now, but I'm not going to start on the dash swap because I want to get Blackheart in first. Once I get Blackheart in, I got the other part of Blackheart sitting in the truck right now. We got Blackheart, like I say, off the stand. So we about to put a whole nother motor on the stand, and we're going to start building something else. This time right here, are we going to show what we going to build? I'll probably give y'all some content, but I'm probably not going to show y'all exactly what we're building on this one right here because I'm going to have a little bit of fun on this one right here, man. Like, but I think the way I'm going to build this one right here, man, I'm trying to find me a body. I would love to have a Malibu. I would love to have a Nova. All those are actually dream cars right now, man. The only reason I said Nova is because my daddy had one, man, a 67, and they used to call it the Ghost. So, with that being said, man, y'all be on the lookout, man, because regardless of what it is, it's still going to be called Ghost, but it's going to be called Ghost 2. I'm Edward Jr., so it's only right. It's only right that I keep his legacy going, man. You know what I'm saying? Long live my daddy. I miss him, man. And this is how I feel like I can get the closest to him by actually getting there and doing what he taught me to do since I was like, 10, 11, 12, whatever age it was, turning bolts on the C10 truck, taking engines and stuff out. So, you know what I'm saying? Put the camera up high, man. Long live my daddy, man. Long live Mr. T, man. Look at here. Blackheart done. If Blackheart ain't doing right, Blackheart coming right back out. We got at least 2 or 3 more engines, you know what I'm saying, ready to go. So it ain't gonna make no difference, man. Shout out to J Money, man. J Money got me the shirt. Show y'all this. Y'all see what the shirt say. No mercy. That's exactly what I'm giving them. No mercy. So it is what it is, man. Your boy Rich coming at y'all, man. I'm going to just label this one right here raw. This right here just going to be raw. So it is what it is, man. And I ain't even going to lie. Just so y'all don't think I'm intoxicated or something. And for the kids, you know what I'm saying? Like, this was the first one I had. This right here, I ain't even going to lie to you. I wasted by moving too fast when Jordan was out here helping me get the engine off the stand. Now the rest of it, I'm gonna guzzle that. I'm gonna guzzle that. Matter of fact, for Mr. T. I love y'all YouTube, man. Look here. Let's turn it up, man. Tomorrow must come, but it ain't promised to nobody, so I'm gonna give it all to y'all today. Hey, y'all already know what it is, man. Your boy Rich _ everything with an 8. Let's light this thing up. Blackheart, ready to go. Let's go ahead and drop that thing in there and see what it do, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Push them buttons down there. Subscribe, like, share. Let's turn up.